Hi everyone, it's about 11 a.m. on Snowmageddon day. I just stepped outside and it's when I first woke up there wasn't that much that accumulated over the night, but now it's already quite deep. Let me turn around. So here's my back door under kind of a snowdrift there. Everything's completely covered. There's my fire pit and you can't see much of it. It's accumulated quite a bit on the deck. Looks like based on the deck chair, which I think is a fair representation, it's not a snowdrift and it's not blowing off. I've got around 6 or 7 inches so far.